Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth, with long necks to reach tree leaves. Spelling Giraffe. Giraffe. Gorillas are large primates that live in forests and are very strong. Spelling Gorilla. Goats are farm animals known for climbing and eating almost anything. Spelling Geoat. Geese are birds that migrate and honk loudly as they fly. Spelling Goose. Goldfish are popular pet fish that come in bright orange or gold colors. Spelling Goldfish. Geckos are small lizards that can climb walls and make clicking sounds. Spelling Gecko. Grasshoppers are insects that hop and make chirping sounds with their legs. Spelling Grasshopper. Giant pandas are black and white bears that love eating bamboo. Spelling Giantpanda. Gazelles are graceful animals that can run very fast to escape predators. Spelling Gazelle. Gibbons are small apes that swing from tree branches using their long arms. Spelling G